This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Terris Cooper. Here is your chance to own almost an acre and a quarter in Pinellas Parks Equestrian area. This home sits on a very large L-shaped lot with so much potential. The home itself could be restored into its original condition. Home boasts a beautiful wood-burning fireplace as you enter from a covered porch. The home does have a walkable attic space that could be converted into additional living space. Newer central air conditioner system. This is a must-see. Home is being sold as is for seller convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Terris Cooper at 727-244-5645.